Let's get started. If your house does not have a foundation, I suggest you make one by using 1.5 by 1/2 inch wood, copying the dimensions of your dollhouse to hide the battery box and speaker box. These are the parts that come in the doorbell kit. The middle of the doorbell should measure approximately 3 inches from the porch. Using a 3/8 inch drill bit, drill a hole from the front of the dollhouse. Clean around the hole. The flat brass ring will be used first, then the beveled brass ring, and last the glue dot. Place the flat ring on a pencil. Apply a glue similar to quick grip on the outside of the flat ring. Insert the flat ring into the hole, flush with the outside of the dollhouse. Place the beveled ring on the end of a pencil. Carefully put a small amount of glue on the underside of the beveled ring. It is important not to get glue near the inside hole. Place the ring over the flat ring, lining up the center holes. This is the doorbell button. Very carefully bend the wires as close as possible to the button frame. Place the doorbell button into the hole from the inside of the dollhouse. Make sure the button is straight when it comes through the front hole, and when pushed, it pops out easily. On the inside of the house, where the wire comes across to the door frame, it is recommended to dig a small trench the wire can sit in. Using the glue dot, fill the hole, pushing the glue all the way into the hole. Place tape over the hole and wires. The front porch of this house has not been put together. Therefore, the wires do not need to be cut and can be placed in the front under the porch. It is best to place the speaker box under the dollhouse near the doorbell button. The battery box takes 3 AA batteries. The batteries last a very long time. The doorbell wiring is completely separate from the lights of the dollhouse. The battery box has an on-off switch. Attach the battery box and speaker box under the porch. Let's do that again, a little bit differently. I am using a felt tip marker to show where to cut the trench for the wires. Release the wires, leaving room to run the wires under the dollhouse and reconnect. Do not get any glue on the button. It must push in and pop out easily. Strip the wire ends. Drill a hole in the corner of the door frame. Connect the wires back to each other, then use tape to cover the connections. Use Velcro to secure the battery box and speaker box to the bottom of the house. When placing the Velcro, be sure that it is not on the side of the speaker holes or on the on-off switch. Put the Velcro back together and place the battery box and speaker box on the bottom of the dollhouse. You are now ready for company. This doorbell ready door comes unfinished with the hole and ready for the doorbell. This door is made to fit a very small opening to a very large single door opening.